Good evening, students. Dear students, please follow all the instruction which is provided by your local health authorities. Dear parents, we need your support. Kindly submit your ward fees. Dear students, you are watching class 6 science chapter number 3, separation of substances. Dear students, part 6. It is a part 6. Dear students, so let's start. In this video, we will do one activity and we will understood the process of evaporation. So let's start, dear students. Aim to separate a mixture of sand and water using filtration method. Dear students, we also discussed earlier we discussed the process of filtration, the process of separating insoluble substance from a liquid using a filter is called what? Filtration method or filtration process. So dear students, what are the material required for this activity? Let's see. 2 beakers, sand, water, a glass rod, filter paper and a funnel. Now let's start the procedure. Take some sand in a beaker and add some water to it. Dear student, first we take a beaker, take some sand in the beaker and also drop a water and mix it with the help of glass rod. Now, and to use take some sand in a beaker, add some water to it and use the glass rod to mix the contents. Now take a filter paper and make a cone as shown in the figures given alongside. Dear students, this is the method to making a cone. First step, second we have to fold, third we have to just fold and make in this way, and fourth way to making a cone, of a filter paper. Now dear student, place the paper cone in funnel and keep an empty beaker below the funnel like this. First method, we have to just take a sand, that sand mixed with water with the help of glass rod. Now we have to place funnel, and in the funnel we have to keep what? Cone paper cone gently. Now gently pour a mixture into the funnels. Dear student, gently pour a mixture to the funnel. Now gently to the funnel. Observation. You will notice that clear water collected in the beaker after passing through the filter paper and sand particles are left behind in the filter paper. Dear students, you see that the clear water is collected in the beaker and sand particle left behind the filter paper. Now dear students, we can see that we can use this method to separate at home while using lemon juice or orange juice. Dear students, for the process of filtration commonly used in the daily life, for example, fruits and vegetable juice are usually filtered before drinking to separate the seeds and the pulp from it. The seeds and suspended pulp particles of lemon or orange can be separated from its juice by the process of filtration. Dear students, by the filtration method, fruits and vegetables juice are filtered before drinking to separate the seeds and pulp by the method of filtration. Another method I will tell you, dear students. For making paneer, a few drops of lemon juice are added into the boiling and it forms a mixture and consists particles of solid paneer and a liquid. A paneer is then separated from the liquid through a fine filtering cloth or the strainer. So dear students, now you understood filtration method we also used in our commonly used in our daily life also. Now come to the another method, that is called what? Evaporation. Now the dear students, come to another method, that is called evaporation. The process in which a liquid change into its gaseous state is called evaporation. Dear students, the process of changing liquid into its vapor on heating is called what? Evaporation. This method is used to separate soluble solids from the solid liquid mixture. In this method, the liquid components is allowed to evaporate from the mixture, leaving behind only the solid components. Dear students, This is the method to use to obtain the solid substance that is dissolved in the liquid. Common salt dissolved in the water can be separated by the process of evaporation. Dear student, evaporation is used to obtain common salt from the seawater. Seawater contains a large amount of salt dissolved in it. It is allowed to flow through narrow channel near the coastal areas is then collected. Is shallow pond is called what? Salt pan. Dear students, I will tell you, sea contains a lot of salt. The process of evaporation is used to obtain the salt in a large scale. Seawater is trapped in the shallow ponds. That shallow pond is also be called what? Lagoons. Allowed to stand there. The heat of the sun is gradually now evaporates. The water in these salt pan is allowed to dry in the sun. As the water evaporates, the solid crystal of salts are left behind. The salt is then collected and sent for the purification. The purified salt is used for various purpose. Dear students, the heat of a sun gradually evaporates. I will show you. Gradually evaporates. Completely evaporates the water completely in the shallow pond and leaving behind the solid salt. This mixture of leaving behind the solid salt, this mixture salt is further purified to obtain the common salt. So dear student, by this method, by the evaporation method, we can also common salt is dissolved in the water can be separated by the process of evaporation. Dear students, hope you understood the process of evaporation. Dear students, you have to read this paragraph carefully. That is your homework. Dear students, stay home, be safe. Thank you.